When it comes to your home or business, you can't leave anything to chance. You need Security Masters Limited. Specialists in home, office and retail security access control. Security gates. Entry systems. CCTV. And an emergency locksmith service. We are the firm of choice for a wide spectrum of clients. Our family-run business has over 26 years' experience in providing the very best in security solutions and peace of mind for our customers. We employ fully qualified security engineers, so you really are getting the best service possible. Security Masters Limited, securing the things that are precious to you. Call today.